Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Fry. Today we are going to be showing you all how to make tahini sauce. What is tahini sauce, you wonder? Well, tahini is one of the most important ingredients that goes into some of your most favorite Middle Eastern dishes including shawarmas, hummus, mutabbal and so on. Apart from being a must-have component in Middle Eastern dishes, tahini is also quite healthy and delicious, and all you need is 3 ingredients to make it. So let's begin. Start by toasting 100 grams of sesame seeds in a pan. Doing this helps bring out the natural oils in the sesame. Once your sesame seeds slightly begin to change color, understand that it is now toasted, so turn off the heat and transfer to a plate to let it cool down. Once the sesame seeds cool down to room temperature, transfer them into a food processor and grind them until they turn into the sticky powderish consistency as you can see in the video. Add a pinch of salt. Pour in some virgin olive oil. And grind it once again. The final consistency should be the one that you can see in the video, not too thick, not too thin, but pourable. Add more olive oil if you need to achieve this consistency. So there you go, your tahini is now ready to be used. You can now transfer your tahini sauce into an airtight container and store it in the fridge for a good amount of time. Later, if you notice that your tahini has thickened up in the fridge, just bring it out and leave it on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes before using. This process will help the oil in it warm up on its own, bringing it back to its former consistency. We use this tahini sauce while making hummus and mutabbal to enhance their flavor. You can check out the recipes for the same through the links in the description below. If you liked this video, then subscribe now and share it with your friends, and stay tuned to Spice Fry for more lip-smacking recipes.